Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, in today's video guys, we'll be working here on a BMW E46. This one is the 3 Series guys from 1998 to 2006. And we'll show you guys where to find the fuse for the alarm system or the thief-proofing system. Stay with us guys, you actually have not one but two fuses. We'll show you that. In addition, we'll have more than 200 videos on E46. Our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below. Let us know if the content is helpful or if you have any recommendations. So let us show you now where you can find the fuses. So you have not just one, you have two fuses and where they're located now. We have the convertible, but practically doesn't matter which one you have, the procedure will be the same guys. So you need to come right here, open the glove box of your BMW E46, and once you open it guys, okay, you need to turn those things to the outside, drop down, and now you're going to notice that you have two rows of fuses. The one in the middle, this is spare fuses. And the numbers for the top one are printed on top, the bottom one, they're kind of like stamped on the plastic here. And the fuses now that we're looking at guys are two fuses that we need to check. It's known as thief-proofing system or alarm system. First fuse guys is fuse number 49. Okay, fuse number 49. It's this 5 amp fuse, okay, right here guys, check it out, okay. This 5 amp fuse, this is fuse number 49. How you remove it, grab your fuse puller, get on top of the fuse, grab it, pull it out. If you want to see replacement fuses and where we get them from guys for a really good price, check out in the description of the video below. We'll have the link so you can see where you can get a good deal on fuses. Go ahead and install it, make sure everything is correct. Okay, if it's not going in, something is wrong, so you need to position it to where it will go in. Perfect, like that. Now the second fuse that we're looking at guys is fuse number, okay, it's fuse number 67. Okay, 67 is another 5 amp fuse guys. This, okay, right here, this is fuse number 67. You can see this one is fuse number 67. So we go ahead, grab the fuse and we pull it and we can check it again. Okay, in our case, good fuse. If you still have problems guys, we'll have a video on the channel how to okay, what you need to check, how to test your alarm system and all that stuff. You also guys have a fuse for the immobilizer, so please do check those out. We have the video on the channel. And later, don't forget guys, okay, to install your fuse puller, close that, and you're ready to go. So thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out, we have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.